Hi guys! Welcome back to Three Girls in Charge Show. And today we're gonna open some surprises that's from our school, and this is from Santa Claus. And this is from Jenny Babe. No, Chelsea. This is from Jenny Babe. This is from Aika. And this is from Mina. And your sister Alma, it's in the school. And this is from my best sister. The school. Okay, this is from Mina too. So we're gonna open first. This is from Mina. This is from Mina too. So first here, let's open it up. It says Elijah. This is from Mina to me. Let's open it. Us. Like us. Oh, eggs chocolate. And five. This no six. Five pinks and one blue. This is no surprise. This is an egg chocolate. Let's open it. Yes. Chocolate, black, brown chocolate. Dark brown. That this is not a black. Okay. Let's taste it. Yum. It's yummy. What's next? This. Surprise. You're gonna open that and I'm gonna open this. Okay. We have this is princess and this is tunnel. Let's open it and see what's inside it. What? A scissor. I forgot the scissor. Oh, so sharp. Careful, guys. Okay, I've got the scissor is sharp. Sophie. Sorry, jelly. Sophie. Jelly. And Lumbans. Lumbans. That is all. So, and next, all the Oh, it has a special. Oh, a Lumban. And again, so cute. Me and cute Lumban. Me too, pink. And now we're gonna open the McDonald's SpongeBob SquarePants treasure hunt keeper. Oh, there's a puzzle. Let's open this up. We have a lot of cheering up. Where's the Here. Oh, it's treasure fountain. It's SpongeBob and the treasure is flowing. Yes. It's like a fountain. Yes. Now let's put it here. Now we're gonna open our surprise from Santa. I got a puppy. I got a lotion. But I have a puppy. Ooh, let's see. What is in here? What is this? Wow. So rice eggs. And sour egg. Sour egg. I'm sorry, I mean shower gel. And a dice. And babies body scrub. And bubble butt. And body scrub. And body lotion. Ooh, let's try it. It's so wonderful. Smell it. It's good to smell. It's like my mom's lotion. Wait. Jinx on my soda. So wait for us, guys. We're gonna clean up this. You're gonna see what we got. Okay. The camera has no focus. So sorry, guys. So we're gonna do this a okay, guys. No. Okay, guys. Let's clean up. Clean up. Clean up. Everybody clean up. Clean up. I have a balloon and a wallet. I have a car. This is so 100. Oh, money. And open. And the eraser broke. Coca. Let's go, Elijah. My babysitter. Let's clean up. Gosh. Guys, I'm just gonna go to the trash can. Trash can, trash can. Trash can, trash can. Okay, is that all? Okay, guys, bye. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment. Bye.